Alright, so first I have to say that I'm not sponsored by any of the memory manufacturers out there. I just got a new package here from OVC. That is macsales.com. I ordered more memory for the 27-inch 2020 model. That doesn't fit in the 21.5-inch one. The 21.5-inch one does not have a memory door, basically, where you can get in there to replace it. So you have to take the whole computer apart to get into the memory. And I'm not sure what the status is of that, if it's soldered on now or if it's replaceable. Hard to say, I'm not sure about this. So this kit here is now a 64 gigabyte kit. I had before ordered for $523 here the 128 gigabyte kit, but that went wrong in a way that I was scammed there, and they sent me 2 gigabyte modules, and it's not the manufacturer here in the picture. It came from something else, so that did not work out. Then I went and got 2 more 8 gigabyte sticks. So the computer came with 2 8 gigabyte sticks. I went to get 2 8 gigabyte sticks from the local store. That was a crucial memory, and turns out that didn't work together. It only had 2133 megahertz of speed in the memory, where it should have 2666 megahertz. So the original Apple modules with those crucial modules did not work together, and for that reason I just had to get a set of 4, and then I chose to go with OWC because I have a good experience with them so far. I show here how to remove the door in the back. Again, the 21.5-inch model, the 2020 version, does not have this door, so you can't replace the memory there. Okay, so I need to get here the package for the old memory. I'm going to take that out and just put the new one in, and then everything works smooth and nice as it should be. There's one, and then here's the next one. Doesn't work. Okay, that's original. There's this one. Last one. Those are the Apple ones. Close this nicely, as good as I can. Put them away. Those have to be returned. There was a little dirt there. Crazy. So, and then I guess I take the first one. I go in the second hole here. Yeah, this one. Here. Last line here. There. The last one in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 in here, and then we close them up both sides like this and put the flap back on. And then we are ready to go. I'm going to put the original ones back. Here, the Apple ones. How is this supposed to work? I mean, the other ones were in here.